Hi and welcome to Wahl, Australia. Today I want to talk to you and show you what you're going to get when you unbox the brand new professional Harmony clipper. So first, when you take a look at the packaging, you're going to notice a few key things. You're going to see that we have a 5-in-1 adjustable blade. It's going to tell us that it has a lithium battery on it, has a smart LCD screen, powerful rotary motor, as well as it's really light and quiet. On the back of the packaging, you're going to get similar information. It's just going to provide you with more depth of that information, and that's going to give us a snapshot of what the kit contents are. But since we're doing an unboxing, let's take a look at that right now. So I'm going to take off this packaging. I'm left with this really nice storage case, which is a nice bonus that you receive when you get the Harmony. And when we open it up, here we are. We have our warranty and instruction booklet on this side. We have this really sharp metallic gold looking clipper. Trust me when I say it's really sharp, because it is. And then you're gonna see all of these nice kit contents. So you're gonna see you have your number 1, 2, 3, and 4 metal guide combs. You're getting your charger, which is important because you need that for your cordless clipper. You have the brush, and then you're also getting a 4-ounce bottle of oil, which again, we know we need to oil before and after every use. Now, if you don't want the tray, you can simply lift it up, throw it out, recycle it, whatever you want to do, but you're still going to have this nice big storage box to put everything in, whether you're in one shop or another shop or just like to keep everything tidy. So these are the new kit contents that you get with the Harmony. If you click on the next video, I'll show you how all of these features are going to make life a little bit easier for you when you're in the salon and using the clipper.